So if there was a goal to meditation, is to not stop thinking, but to step back and realize that, oh, I'm not the thought. I can observe the thought and I don't have to fix it. I don't have to stop it thinking, like just like the cloud in the sky. I don't have to go and grapple it and fight it and stop it and, argue with it. I can just let it pass by. And the essence of meditation is to sit back. I say just, but it's never just. Is to sit back and observe what is happening internally. In a roundabout way, I'm kind of saying, as we pause from all of the craziness around us and we stop, and meditation is, if you need something to do, to sit and pause and pay attention, because that's the word meditation to me, is not close your eyes and, start to hallucinate or get high. Meditation is stop and pay attention, to wake up. And when we start to pay attention, we realize the truth of who we are. A lot of healing has been possible. I know in my community, people have come in with all sorts of things. And obviously, I can't claim anything medically, but what I've observed is that by doing meditations, like what you're talking about with heart and brain coherent, and, the body is vibrating at a certain frequency, what happens is that the frequency that we start with, which sometimes could be a lower frequency, starts to raise. And as we raise our frequency, all healing on a frequency level, a vibrational level, is known as a raising of frequency. All healing is a raising of frequency. So when our heart and our brain through meditation can start to be in coherence and be in harmony, our frequency starts to raise. And most people observe, what we call healing, or sometimes instant healing, miraculous healings happen in the moment. And, miracles are normal. Magic and miracles are normal if we believe it. What you believe becomes true. And if you think about it, am I just this computer? Am I just this object? Am I just this body? Am I just this computer? Or is it that, do you have a sense that you're, greater than this body and mind? And essentially that's the frequency that we're tapping into, the frequency of creation, the energy that creates you and me and all things. So when we get back to that very, primal basic frequency, all things become possible, including healing.